Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be planning in my classic Happy Planner for July, well it's technically June 29th through the July 5th, so the July 4th week. And as you can see, I've started my spread here with the patriotic theme. I did something a little bit different this time. I went ahead and I ordered a Etsy kit, a printable, and I really enjoyed the experience, and I'll leave a link to her shop below. I just had one slight problem, that my Cricut didn't cut through some of the stickers well enough. It's totally my fault. I'm a newbie at this, so I just off camera went ahead and cut some of the strips to, manually to salvage what I could. So with that out of the way, I do have some other non-Cricut printed stickers I'm going to start with, and yeah, let's dig right in. So I'm going to use this big 4th of July as my quote sticker. Put it at an angle. I cannot believe it's already going to be the 4th of July. I don't know about you guys, but 4th of July is kind of a mixed bag here in our house because we have a golden retriever and he's not too keen on the fireworks. So it got to the point where we had to even get medication for him. I think I'm going to go ahead and lay down some of these firework starburst as a foundation. Seems like not all the stickers wanted to cut out of the Happy Planner book either. I love that these are clear. You can just go to town. And leave no sticker unstuck. A couple more of these big ones down, and then I will save some of the smaller ones to overlay at the end. Okay, and we have a lot of decorative pieces. This is a Happy Planner page. These are from another sticker kit. Let's see what else I got from these printables. I think I'm going to go ahead and use some of these decorative boxes. Oh, nice. I like this flag one. And what I like is her kit was so big that I will have stickers enough for next year. This guy here, and then this guy. Let's do the stars. 4th of July is always extra special remembrance for me because my father, and actually several family members, served in the military, and I grew up living near 2 military bases where a lot of my friends' parents served in the military. So it's just a good, for me, way to remember their sacrifice and service for our country. I'm not so much into the fireworks and barbecue and all that part of it. For me it's more, I don't know, just a time to pause and reflect and remember. Okay, so now that I have some decorative, I think I'm just going to go sticker crazy on this layout. And I've got some of these solid boxes I'm going to lay down because, why not? Let me see what else I have here in my stash just to make sure I'm not forgetting. Checklists, yeah. Hopefully these come up okay. I'm wondering if my knife got dull or my blade, because the first page cut really well, but like this was page 2 and not so much. Okay, I need to do more surgery. You're gonna get a glimpse of what I had to do for the strips. Okay. Okay, Okay, I think that's a good foundation for decorating. Why don't we go ahead and get some task items put down here. Got some check boxes here. So for Monday, I think we'll put something here, but Tuesday can go here. And we'll do one of these Whammer Jammers over here for Friday. And we've got some of these boxes. Oh, but I have these longer ones too. Let me see. See what I mean? See how many stickers there are in this kit? I love it. The problem with the X-Acto knife is, as I'm sure you're aware, it can go off track and cutting where you don't want it to cut. Okay, good. That's super cute. We'll put this one over here for Monday. I've got some headers for these too. If you're new to my channel, how I like to plan is I use my Happy Planner to kind of, it's a creative outlet, and I also just pick like my top 3 for each day that I want to try to get done, and those are the things that I plan out in my Happy Planner. So each day I try to give a section for a task list. I would love to use one of these TV stickers, but we have not been watching much on TV lately. We are big baseball fans here. I'm from the Bay Area, so we are San Francisco Giants fans. Okay, so I think I'm gonna do learn better, do better, right? It can be Thursday, here's Friday, now we just need the weekend. Oh, a short wood run for Sunday because I don't think we're gonna be doing much. I'll kind of overlap it here like this. And then part of what's irritating me about these is it's taking me longer. Got a lot to do today. Okay, so now we've got those down. Let's look at some of these headers. And to make it easy on myself, I'm just going to cut out some of these manually. Okay, my headers are down. Let's go ahead and add some decorative elements. I have some really fun stickers here. I've got my Snoopies. I love Snoopy. Let's see. I think we got to go with Snoopy on his doghouse for the actual 4th of July. And then we'll put another one there. And we'll do a little baby Woodstock over here, because why not? Okay, these are a little bit different color scheme, so I don't know if they're gonna match. Put this up here. This is cute. Hello, July. Yeah, I guess this matches okay. I'll put up a page flag, because that's how I roll. Fireworks. Brave. Celebrate as the founding of the country. Got some stars. Let's add these little strips right here. There's that one. Yay! Okay. Well, I could do more. I've got some more little decorative accents, but I'm going to save some for next year. But I am going to put down some more of these fireworks. Okay. And I still have space to write all of my to-dos for the week, so I think I'm going to call this spread done. Let me clip off the ends of this. Oh, I really love how this turned out. So that is all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked it, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And if you want to be notified of more content I post, hit that subscribe button. Until next time, thanks guys.